Hello, welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk around video, Eclipse Cross 4. Obviously this is the top of the range in the Eclipse. As you can see, it's in a beautiful colour called Atlantic Grey, quite a popular colour. With it being the 4, it is a 4-wheel drive and it's automatic, this one as well. It's a 1.5 turbocharged engine, develops about 160 brake horse. Same again with it being the 4, you've got the rear camera, 360-degree camera on this one. You've got the front and back parking sensors also. You've got the split level tailgate there, which is a good feature, so you can actually see through that when you're driving and obviously reversing. Lovely big boot there. You've got a built-in subwoofer in that one, so sound quality in the radio is absolutely phenomenal in this one. It's got 600 watts of power into it in the radio. Like I say, it's a very nice car. Obviously Mitsubishi's come with a 5-year warranty from new, so this one being a 2018, it'll have a manufacturer's warranty till 2023. As you can see, you've got headlamp washers there as well. Quite an aggressive looking front. Mitsubishi call it the dynamic shield front. Nice big mirrors as well for reversing. It's all keyless entry, push button start. When you press that button there, that locks it and also folds the mirrors in, and then vice versa to open it. Press it again and your mirrors retract. The glass actually stays still, so you don't have to readjust your mirrors. Moving inside, full leather interior. It's one thing Japanese cars do very well. The equipment level in them is absolutely phenomenal. And then just move around there. Press the start button, so it's push button start, keyless entry. This one's covered 7,900 miles. It's very low mileage. I don't know if you can actually see that. You've got a heads-up display there that just pops up out of the dash. Don't really translate very well onto the video. You've got your 360-degree camera for when you're reversing, so when I click that into there, you've got an overhead view, and then you've got a rear view there also. If I press this button on the steering wheel, it'll actually change the view there, so I can see the side bit, so I can see how close I'm getting to the curb and so on. Press that there, and it also, if I go into the front view, there you go, you've got your front view camera also on that one. Really good system. Same again, you can go through that and then back to your radio. It's full DAB system. It runs Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so basically once you pair your phone, it becomes like a bit of a workstation from there, so you can answer your text messages, WhatsApp messages, and return calls, receive calls and so on. That's all function through there. It's all voice activated once you've paired your phone, so you just press that button. Brilliant safety feature, and you just basically
the voice recognition button wants to use the built-in voice recognition, or press and hold it.
So basically once you've paired your phone, it's all voice activated also. This side is all the technical side of it, the cruise control, the speed limiter, and it's also got adaptive cruise control on this one. So not only can you set the speed, you can also set the distance as well, which is a really good safety feature. You get on motorway, just press your desired speed, you'll never have to touch your brakes. The car will bring itself to a complete stop if there's any traffic in front of us that come to a halt. Down there, as you can see, we've got a full array of buttons. Your first ones are for your HUD display, which is your heads-up display, which is on top of the dash there. That does the angle of it, depending on how high you are, and that does the brightness of it. You've got your traction control button there. Then you've got your lane departure and your front collision mitigation. Basically, it won't stop you from having an accident, but it'll help if anything does go wrong. It will basically assist you and the car to try avoid an accident. With it being the automatic, you've got the flappy paddles there behind the steering wheel, so you can change gear. Once you go into manual mode, it turns it into an 8-speed, it does, but obviously in drive mode it'll just be a continuous velocity transmission on there. You've also got your heated seats on this one. You've got the touchpad there for the screen up there, so you can do it by that, or you can do it by touch, whichever way you want to do it in that aspect. Electronic handbrake with auto hold, so best hill starts you'll ever do. Just basically applies and de-applies it when you need it. And then we'll go up to the roof there. You've actually got in this one panoramic roof, both sides, so you can open both screen blinds, and it's the front one that opens as well, so you can have a tilt and slide sunroof there. It's a nice feature. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or review in, by all means just give us a shout. Thank you.